Hey kids, this is Mr. Gambicki, and today I'm going to show you the first and second step in the informational blurb activity we've been doing with our Google Sites. This step today involves using our novel, and as you see I have an example here. This is the novel Day of Tears by Julius Lester. As I explained yesterday, we're going to be using the information that's presented in the blurb on the back of the book, the information about the author that is sometimes on the inside back cover, sometimes it's on the inside front cover, and sometimes it's on a book that has a sleeve. So there's all different places you can find information about the book. You can also find information on other pages here, like right here it tells you that this book won an honor. So, I want you to explore your book a little bit. Here's some more awards and praise that this book got, some more quotes about what people thought about the book. So the first few pages and the last few pages are going to be the place where we gather our information. And so that's the first step of this activity, is we're going to actually type up all this information. So there's a little bit of, we're going to have a little bit of time practicing our typing skills. But we're trying to get at the very least, we're going to try to type up everything that's on the back and the about the author. Okay, and once you do that, you're going to take it and you should be typing it into your Google site. So here's the example of it. So I didn't organize anything, I just kind of typed it right in. I made sure I kept saving as I was typing. That's step one. So step two is you need to take all this information and you need to present it in a better way using text features like the ones that we practiced yesterday. Bolded points, graphics, subheadings, organizing the information. So for example, in this text right here, let me see. This here is a summary, but nowhere does it say this is a summary, and it goes right into a commentary about the writer here. So there's no subheadings in the blurb, and it could be a little confusing. So one of the things I did is I changed that. So I worked on this for a while, and here's an example of what it should look like when you're done. So you notice I've taken the same information. I didn't have to write anything new, although if you want to add or change things you can. And because this book is about slavery, I went with a gray background, and then I played with the colors black and white in my subheadings and in the text. It's the same text and information. All I did was organize it a little bit better. So I have the title of the novel up here, who wrote it. I made some subheadings: A Mother Torn by Slavery, A Taste of Lester's Prose, The Voices of Slavery, Photographer, Musician, and Activist about the author. I added graphics to the text that are related to what the text is talking about. And then I also laid it out in different sections. So over here we kind of have a sidebar of information. I used a table here to set up the author's picture with his signature or his autograph. And then I also laid out a separate section down here with a bulleted list. And that's the project. So it's a combination of synthesizing information and presenting it in a clear way, and also using these Google Site tools. Okay, so I hope that this example will help you with the next two steps of the activity. So go ahead and get to it.